Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of the carrots from the book Creepy Carrots. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right up here, we're going to add a little circle. So I'm going to add a little circle right here for one eye. And then right next to it, I'm going to draw another circle. So we're going to put another circle right next to here. Now, right at the bottom here, I'm going to add two more little circles inside the eyes, and then I'm just going to color them in for the pupils. Now, for the eyebrows, we're going to make them kind of angry. So I'm going to draw a line down here, and I'm going to come back up like this, and I want to leave a little bit of space in between there. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Draw a diagonal line here, and then one more here. And you can see I'm leaving a little bit of space in between them. Now, the creepy carrot has a really big mouth on it, and it's kind of like an oval. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come around like this. Then it's going to go down here. And then we're just going to connect it. Now there are two teeth inside the mouth. Right here you want to draw a little square for one tooth. And then we're going to draw another little square over here for the other tooth. Now we want to make the body of the carrot. So I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to make a big line that's going to curve around. So we'll start here. I'm going to make a big line that's going to curve. I'm going to go straight across. And then I'm going to come back down like this at a little curve. And then I'm going to connect them with a little point. Now, I'm going to draw two little lines on the top here. And then I'm going to add a few more little lines in between there. Now, on the top of here, I'm going to add some little bumps for the top of the carrot stem. And then I'm going to continue these all the way around. And then I'm also going to add a few more little smiley faces in here. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines on here for the carrot, just in some random spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of a carrot from the book Creepy Carrots. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.